Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick tips and tricks video. If you are a user of the Microsoft Edge browser, well, you'll be happy to know that in the October 2018 update, they've made it easier to customize the buttons that is in the toolbar, the same one where you have your URL here at the top. You see that on the left side and right side there are some buttons that will give you certain features. You can actually change what's in here now by going into the settings on the upper right corner of your Edge browser, and you can see something called Show in Toolbar. You now have the possibility to, for example, I want to have the download button because it's kind of useful to get, and it'll be able to easily see what downloads I've had. If you downloaded something, sometimes it disappears. You close the browser, you don't see where it is. Well, by having the download button, for example, it could be useful. So add notes, share this page, history, reading list, favorites. It's not fully customizable, unfortunately, but it's at least partly customizable for sure. So this is one of the great little new things that at least might make your Edge browser a little more interesting if you want. And of course, you have the possibility to show the favorites bar if you want, which is a bar that I use a lot in my Edge browser. So you can show the favorites bar. And one last customization here is show the home button. That is that little house here. If you like to go back to your home page, it's fun to have that button. So you can turn on home button. So this is pretty cool to have. So once again, a few little things you can customize. Go to your Edge browser on the upper right corner. You have Show in Toolbar, favorites, reading list, history, downloads, add notes, share this page, buttons that you can add or remove. But also remember that in settings itself, you will have a little bit down the page, show the favorites bar if you wish to have it, and show the home button if you want to have a home button appear right here on the top toolbar in Microsoft Edge. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.